This is a new WOWTAC flashlight. This is the WOWTAC A4 version 2 beam. So this is a spot. This is not a flood, this is a spot. So this will be good for looking down long drifts, raises, shafts, and I really like the shape and size of this. And this is 26650 powered, so this battery packs a lot of punch. These 26650 is about 5 amps, 5,000 milliamp battery. So you get a lot of punch in this little package. So we're going to try this guy out in this mine here. Micro USB rechargeable. And like I said, it uses a 26650. It comes with the 5,000 milliamp hour 26650 here at the bottom. The green 26650 is one of my backup spare Tenergy 4200 milliamp hour. And it comes with a note that says you have to make sure that the top is screwed down and the bottom is tight. They do that so it doesn't discharge the battery. Okay, rolling with the WOWTAC A4 version 2. And I believe I have version 1 also, and it's a lot bigger. And this should run like this for 150 minutes. And actually, this is not the type of flashlight that you run continuously. You just use it when you need to spot something. Get some ice here. It's actually very hard to walk and hold this steady. Let's do this. Let's go up to turbo. Should be a double click. Yeah, that's turbo. It looks blurry, but maybe it's just like fog and mist in the...
Oh yeah, it's gotta be. There's always foggy. And you don't have your high-powered daylight light on, so...
Well, no, I'm using a spot.
What were you saying?
I'm using a spot, not a flood.
That is pretty cool.
Of course it's waterproof.
What is that?
Okay, so we have something to test the light on back here. And that is a borehole. And this borehole goes up at turbo. It's a 1,000-foot borehole raise. Yeah, it's beautiful. That's the flashlight going up a 1,000-foot borehole raise. Hey Norman,
Yo.
walk over there and open that valve. Yeah. There you go, open it up. Cool. So that's a look at the WOWTAC A4 version 2 26650 powered spot narrow beam thrower flashlight in an underground mine haulage tunnel. I like it. I approve.
This is the place where Linda built this little fallout shelter, man.
Yeah?
Wood floor.
Steamy.
Very steamy. Like a steamy stove.
This is like Viagra level steamy.
I'm ready for my close-up this evening, though. Watch out for that rock. Yeah.
It's got a conveyor to bring the goods in.